Glad you tuned in. Today, there's a little update video about the microfiber mop from Chemicalworkz. You already know it from the videos here, for example, with Peter, who really uses this thing a lot on his motorhome. And today I'm going to give you a little update on it. I already mentioned it in the news video. There is now an update for this microfiber cover because with the previous version, it was relatively tight when you put it over this pad. It worked. I also showed it to you in the video, but it could have been a bit more comfortable, for example, like with a chenille cover. And this is an update which I had already mentioned to you. This cover, the original one, has now been updated a bit by simply making it a little larger. So now we can directly compare the sizes, and I think it's very, very clear. First of all, the fiber has also changed a bit visually. Take another look here at the small fiber update. Plus, and this is the main thing here, the size. And because of that, the cover is, of course, much easier to handle. And I just try it out here in the kneeling position. You can simply detach the two Velcro surfaces here. And now my tip, where the Velcro surfaces are not attached, that is on the side up here, that's where you first insert the long sides. Simply let the blade slide in here and then just pull it over the short sides once, twice, and then just fasten the Velcro together again here. Done, and it's already on without any trouble. I'll show you again. You simply take the side without these small attached Velcro surfaces, carefully insert the long ends, then pull the short ones over, and that's it. It's on with complete ease, without any problem at all. One Velcro, two Velcro, and you're finished. It's that simple. A quick update on this, size comparison, and also a little fiber update. This is now also available as an optional add-on for purchase. That means if your cover gets outdated or maybe starts to show its age, you can simply switch to a second one here without having to buy a whole new set. And you can simply expand as you like and get yourself a second or third cover, which also makes washing very flexible. And a very important note, this new cover now always comes included with all microfiber mops. That means it now always comes with the updated cover version, and the chenille cover has not changed. That stays as it is and works just the way it does. It has now received a small update thanks to your feedback, and that's how it should be. Thumbs up. That was all the information in this video. Feel free to check it out, especially now for the washing season, for caravans, motorhomes, and everything that goes with them. It's a great thing, and Peter will also be using this part on his motorhome, and he'll get some user feedback from me as well. But it works, and the fiber is really very, very soft and reliable. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Yours, Sebastian. Ciao.